Debbie here. Today we're going to be making this Thanksgiving wreath. It has the cornucopia in the center with my diamond art. It's nice and full. It has orange, green, and some tan colors in it. If you enjoy the content of this video, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. And let's get to the video. We're making an extra full curly wreath right now. And so I cut my lengths of mesh in by 12 by 10. They are 12 by 10. There's 3 different colors. This tan color, and we're going to roll it up to make our curly curl. And then our orange, roll it up. And then this pretty dark green. It's very pretty. I like the dark green. And then I cut ribbon in 12-inch lengths. And I have 8 of them because there's 8 curly curls in each section. So then you twist it together and there you have it. I'll show you one more time. You take your mesh that is cut 12 by 10 and you take your tan and you take your orange and you crisscross it, and you take your green and crisscross it, and then you take a ribbon, a different one, and I have 8 different ribbons for each section. There'll be one ribbon of one kind in each section, and then you take your pipe cleaner that was cut in half, and you simply twist it in the bottom and make a curly curl. After we make all 8 of our little curly curls, we're going to start attaching them to our wreath. We're going to turn our wreath frame upside down, and we're just going to try to put them in the same order as the first rung that we did with our ribbons. And we're going to alternate on the second and third rung of our wreath frame. I just secure them to the wreath frame. And then just try to keep that same order. So that is our second section that we have done. And we have 4 more sections to do, but it's going to be a really full wreath. I really like how it turns out. I like the cornucopia in the middle of this one. It is pretty. It's very full because of all the curlicues. I ended up with just 6 in each section instead of 8 because it was way too full with the 8. Sometimes I get a little bit carried away and I have to readjust. This wreath will make a great addition to anybody's Thanksgiving dinner. It's a great Thanksgiving wreath. And so I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.